What's up everyone, the name is Joe, and today I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial on how to activate quick stepping sections for Sonic Unleashed or Sonic Generations. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So obviously, like, what you'll need to set up your spline path data. I'll leave a link in the description how to create it, but for me I already have it set up since I'm just editing Rooftop Run Day Act 1. So let's get started. So for me, when Sonic spawns, he's going to spawn over there. Once he spawns, he's going to jump across the stage and then land in this area. This is where I want the quick stepping section to happen. What you want to do is go to your object palette, click on it, then look for player system objects. Then click on change mode 3D to forward. Then go to your stage. Then just click it here. If it will let me click, there we go. Alright, now you've got this big barrier. This is what makes Sonic start to quick step. So what I'm going to do now is just rotate it so that it's within this area. I'm going to set the width of it to 15, but you can set these details any way you like. And you want to set template to 0. Set template to 0, and then what you want to do is click on target direction, and this is where you'll change the values and stuff. What's going to happen is a pink circle is going to appear and ask you what path you want to activate when Sonic goes through the barrier. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to copy these values here where it says position. I'm just going to copy the values, so this box into this box, this box into here, this box into there. Click confirm. I'll go back, then I'll go straight back to it. Then click on enable editing and viewport. Now you see it's focused on this pink circle as I mentioned earlier. What you're going to do is you're going to drag it down. So drag it all the way down until it's below the actual spline paths, but still in proportion with the actual barrier object, the 3D to forward object. And then I'll click confirm. And you'll want to make sure that the object is facing the same direction in which Sonic is going to be running. So in my case, he's going to be running from over there. He's going to be running towards here, and he's going to pass through this barrier, and then the quick step section will activate. You want to make sure that the object itself is actually aligned with that direction. So this yellow arrow is facing towards here. That's what you want, so that the quick stepping section will activate. Alright, now let's save our progress. I'll click on, oh come on. Alright, there we go. Save twice, thank you. Alright, now I just clicked on save. Let's go to Sonic Unleashed and let's see if it worked. As you can see, it works and everything's working properly. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. I hope this tutorial helped you.